These plants will grow as high as 5 feet. It's lettuce. I can do about 120 pounds of lettuce if I wanted to. And all I do is take my seeds and plants and put it in this plant. Look how big that is. Isn't that big? Isn't that beautiful? It's called a torpedo pot. And everyone from the small planters behind to the large ones in the front, it's beautiful. I'm gonna cut one of these heads off so you guys can see it. And you can make your own determination. I never water these plants, I never feed them. All I do is supplement once a week. In this case, I haven't supplemented in 2 weeks because each species is different. And they grow things that you've never seen before, of colors that you've never seen before. And they're absolutely beautiful. Look how big this is. Man, that's gorgeous. Let's go down, find one, and go below the surface. Is that okay? Okay, let's go below the surface. Wow, look at that. It's so fleshy. These are all the natural colors of that plant. Isn't it beautiful? These are torpedo pots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. See that knob? You turn the knob and you'll have food for the rest of your... Wow, look at this one. This is huge. Wow, look at that. You hear that noise? Let's go down. Oh, look how tender that is. You don't see a lot of the... Oh my God, the slugs in it like you do in your lettuce. This is healthy, clean lettuce going in the torpedo pot. Every leaf is getting taken care of in this torpedo pot. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, turn that knob, you never water, you never feed, and you will have food for the rest of your life. No kidding. And tell me that's not beautiful. That's gorgeous. I love it. Talk to you guys later. We're going to a lot more stuff. All right, bye-bye. I get a lot of pounds of lettuce every year. Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. Guys, we make self-growing planters that grow your food like you've never seen before in your life. Isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is so beautiful. And we got so much of it going on. These are torpedo pots.